What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to a little short update. Check out my little shirt. But now today's is gonna be a short video. I've been slacking a little bit. My bad, guys. You know, I'm tight on money too. But I've ordered a few parts and a few tools to get some special work out the way. But as of right now, I'm gonna show y'all a quick update of what I did to the car that I needed to get out the way. The fender's off. The reason why, had to unloose these bolts. Just to get that to go in there. But as of right now, this thing won't shut. Either I gotta get a new one or it got to be connected. I'll see once I get it connected. If not, I'll find a new one somewhere. But I got this tool for Father's Day. Yeah, I'm a daddy too, guys. Some people might say it's a bad tool, but to me, you know, I love it because, you know, when I first started working on vehicles and using tools, I've always just been using the ratchet, you know. Now that I got the Milwaukee 3/8 M12 ratchet, I've been looking at it for a while, and man, it gives me more hope and confidence on working on the vehicle. But yeah, I like it. You know, it's a different feeling. Everything's a little bit more faster. I mean, it's not for every bolt, but it does the job quick. Other than that, mind the mess. Long story short, this used to be drilled out, and there's a thing that's inside of here. I guess it like moved in, and when I bought a new cylinder, an ignition cylinder, it wouldn't go in all the way. So, you know, I've been trying to figure it out, been wrestling it, fighting it. And there's not that much forums about that piece that's down here, because usually you could just press this and put this on accessories, it'll come out and you'll put another one. But I remember once it got drilled out, I guess we were moving it and that piece right here fell down, and there's a thing right here called a barrel rod, and it pushed out. So I literally came over here, unbolt this. You know, this is pretty much where all the ignition and accessory happens. But I took this out, got a little needle metal rod or something, tried to pick it out. While I was picking it out, I had that little barrel rod, and I tried my best to like slip it in the sleeve. And once it fell in, turned it a little bit, put this back to accessory mode, put this on accessory mode, tighten this up, and then this thing slipped in like a champ. I don't have the keys right now, but I'm so glad, because if this wasn't gonna work, I was gonna have to hook up some type of switches around here like a race car. But as of right now, I'm gonna keep it like this. Put the steering wheel back. You know, it is a big mess right now, but one video I'm gonna do a little cleanup. I also bought me an aftermarket steering wheel. I don't know why. It said limited edition, and I liked it. And I hate when it says limited edition, because if I like it and later on, once I got the money and it's not there, I'm gonna be mad. But yeah, I got that for later. That one's gonna be a nice thing to put on. That's my first time having a quick release steering wheels. That's gonna be really nice. But yeah, bear with me about some of the videos. You know, like I said, I'm tight on money, and sometimes shipping takes a while. And on my next video, I'm probably gonna do like a valve stem replacement, because I know I need to replace those. And I've been ordering some valve tools, and some of them are like the wrong heads. They won't fit all the way. Sometimes it's too big, it hit the wall sometimes. So I got another. But now, anyways, guys, We got a little special guest I'm gonna show y'all. If YouTube is still good in the next 10 years, my little guest is gonna be on here, part of the channel. She's probably gonna be doing a little go-kart, maybe junior dragster. But everybody say hello to my little baby. Brooklyn. Hey mamas. What you got to say for the viewers? You ready to get this dirty car going, Brooklyn? Rum brum. Biga biga. Yeah. She's my little princess. Come on, Brooklyn. Let's tell them a little update on some car parts that we got in. I'm gonna let y'all see a few car parts that I got arrived. We're gonna show y'all. So I got a new oil pump and some rod bearings and some main bearings. Yeah, I needed a new oil pump. I've been using the same one for the past 5 years on and off, plus the previous owner. So it's about time to get a new one. That goes with the valve stem seals also. When I had it running the last time, it was always smoking here and there, and man, it was embarrassing, but still, you know. And now that I'm working on it again, I'm gonna make sure I get these valve stems taken care of. But yep, we're about to get this car going pretty soon. Take it to the track here and there. I want to take it to a time attack, but I gotta wait till we find an event. You ready for that, mamas? But yeah, thank y'all for watching, and if y'all made it this far, please subscribe. You know, I won't let y'all down. Won't let them down. But yeah, please subscribe. Be on the lookout for the next video. It might be small, but you know, I'm slowly getting there. I ain't trying to rush and throw all the money on the car, you know. It's, y'all gotta understand. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. Peace. Say bye, mamas. Peace. 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 Biga biga.